By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand concept of division, dividing using a multiplication table, division using repeated subtraction.
Stick around and watch till the end.
Hi, I'm Nak.
Hi, I'm Tak.
Welcome to Nak Tak 910. Division means splitting a group of things into equal parts or equal groups. Simple, isn't it? Well, let's do some problems to make this easier. There are 4 cookies and 2 kids want to share them equally. What do? This is when we divide. So we represent this data as 4 divided by 2, which means that there are a total of 4 cookies and you want to divide it into 2 equal groups.
Got it. So we use division when we want to divide into equal groups. But how can we divide them?
Right. For this, you need your multiplication facts. Do you remember them?
Yup.
Then this is super easy. Check this out. If I need to divide 15 divided by 5, look for 5 on your left-hand side, and then line across our multiples of 5. If we look into multiplication table, 15 is a multiple of 5, so 5 has to be multiplied 3 times to get to 15. 5 times 3 equals 15. This means 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Now can you divide 9 apples into 3 equal groups?
Yeah, 9 apples for 3 equal groups means 9 divided by 3. If I look at the multiplication table, 3 times 3 equals 9, which means 9 divided by 3 equals 3.
This shows that division reverses multiplication and multiplication versus division. Okay, Tak. Now I need you to solve these division problems.
Friends, do you want to try with me? 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. This was kind of easy. But I have a question. What if I need to divide the number that's over 100? I don't see them on this table.
That's right. In that case, we need to go over long division. But before that, let's do something more simpler. Division by repeated subtraction. Say 100 divided by 25 equals 1. So that means how many is 25 multiplied to get to 100? For that, let's repeatedly subtract 25 from 100 until we get to 0. So 100 minus 25 equals 75. So that's 1. 75 minus 25 equals 50, and that's 2. 50 minus 25 equals 25. That's 3. Lastly, 25 minus 25 is 0. So that's the 4th one. So this means we had to subtract 25 4 times. So 100 divided by 25 equals 4.
Yeah, this is interesting. But what if I end up getting some number other than 0?
Yup. You get a 0 only if they're factors of the given number. Meaning, 25 is a factor of 100, so you end up with a 0. But if it's not a factor, you get a remainder. Take a look at this. For example, 16 divided by 5. We can do this with multiplication table or repeated subtraction method. Anything works. Let's do this with the multiplication table here. If you notice carefully, here 16 is not a multiple of 5, which means following along the factors of 5, there's no 16, but the closest number is 15. That means 5 times 3 equals 15, and 16 minus 15 is 1. This basically means I have 16 cookies, and I'm trying to share them with 5 kids equally. I give 3 cookies each, and I keep the remaining. Try solving a few problems. You're allowed to use the multiplication table here.
Friends, do you want to solve these with me? 19 divided by 6 equals 3. That leaves the remainder of 1. 22 divided by 5 equals 4, and the remainder of that is 2. 14 divided by 4 equals 3, and the remainder of that, it's 2.
Good job! Math is easy and fun when you understand what you're doing and a little bit of practice.